When you click on the MTU button, the MTU input queue will be unlocked. Wait for the LED to turn green to open the drawer. You can now open the drawer. Take a new box of MTUs and remove the plastic. Note the large blue arrow on the box indicating where to open the box and the direction for loading inside the Panther. Place the box on the input queue, and you will feel the middle tube entering the track. Slide the box outward to leave only the MTUs in place. Do not touch the MTUs with your hands at any time. The total MTU capacity is 25, for a total of 125 tests. You can load more than one box at a time by pushing the MTU with the box. You can load a partial box as well, keeping the remaining MTUs in the original box. Before closing the door, visually check each MTU has a readable barcode, distributor foot, and all 5 black tiplets. Close the drawer by using the handle, taking care not to touch any moving part. MTUs can be loaded at any time, including during assay processing.